Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. In this short video, I'm just going to show you how to create a shape, edit the points, and position it on the shoe. And then I'm just going to add an accessory. I'm going to go Insert. Just get a shape like this. And I want to fill this part in with a navy color here. Then I'm going to say send to back, bring forward. So it's like that. And I want to cover most of the orange part up as much as I can, just like that. And now I'm going to go edit points. I'm going to bring this down over top, make this a smooth point, and bring that down, bring that up, add a point, like that. Shape fill gradient. Let's choose that. Bevel. I think that would be good. Then we're going to go into the 3D format. I'm going to bring this down in size. Material. Bring it down. So now I'm going to bring in that added shape. So now you know how to create a shape and overlay it. I'm just going to add an outline to this wing. Okay. Let's go with 60 for the lighting angle. And just go edit points here. I'm going to bring this out more. And for the final step here, I went into 3D format and just changed the bevel and the width, and then the material to dark edge, and then the lighting to 180, just to get that little bit of highlight here. Could probably add a larger outline here, and that's it. Thanks for watching.